Meaning of Ironbridge.
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 Ironbridge. Ironbridge is a place name that refers to a village located in the county of Shropshire, England. The name comes from the famous iron bridge that spans the River Severn in the village. This bridge, which was completed in 1779, is considered to be a major landmark in the history of engineering and is regarded as the world's first cast iron bridge. The use of cast iron in bridge building was a significant advancement in engineering and helped pave the way for larger and stronger structures to be built around the world. Today, Ironbridge is a popular tourist destination and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.